In today's video, we're going to talk about how to divide fractions. For those of you that are familiar with the term KFC, that's what we're going to use to help us remember the steps for dividing fractions. And what that means is, it's a chicken company here where I am, but it means keep, flip, change. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep the first fraction the same. We're going to flip the second fraction to its reciprocal, and then we're going to change the sign to multiply. So let's walk through these four examples here. What is 1/5 divided by 2/3? Well, we're going to keep our first fraction the same. We're going to flip our second fraction to its reciprocal, and we're going to change the sign to multiply. You multiply straight across, and 3/10 is your answer. Example 2, 3/10 divided by 7/20. So let's keep the first fraction the same. We're going to flip the second fraction and change our sign to multiply. When we do that, we get 60 over 70. But we can tell that's not in its simplest form because both end in 0. So you can real quick just cancel those out, and your answer is 6/7. Another way you could also look at this is you have 10 in your denominator here and 20 in your numerator here. Whenever you have factors of each one in the denominator, one in the numerator, you can cancel them out. So 10 goes into 20 2 times. So this would be 1, this would be 2. And then when you multiply across, 3 times 2 is 6, 1 times 7 is 7. It just gives you the simplest form earlier without having to simplify at the end. All right, example 3. 2/5 divided by 5/18. We're going to keep our first fraction. We're going to flip our second fraction, and we're going to change it to multiply. We end up getting 36 over 25, which we can change that into a mixed number if we wanted to, and it's 1 and 11 25ths. All right, last example. 1/6 divided by 1/2. Keep the first fraction, flip the second fraction, and change it to multiply. So again, we could do that canceling out here because 2 goes into 1 and it goes into here 3 times. So 1 times 1 is 1, 3 times 1 is 3. If we had left it alone, we would have had 2 over 6, which cancels down to 1/3. Pretty neat trick, huh? So now that you've seen these four examples, try the bonus question on your own. What is 3/5 divided by 1/7? Leave your answer in the comments. Good luck. If you want to see more math help videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And check out my website at improvemath.com to download your free printable worksheet. Thanks for watching.